Hey there, folks. This is Paul with ProShop, and I wanted to share something that is, I think, is a really important topic, and I wrote about it in the blog below. I just got back from a trip to Australia where I got to visit about 8 of our dozens of customers there, and it was a really amazing visit because what I saw really underscored and reinforced what I've seen in hundreds of other shops in my career. And that is the shops that are the most successful, growing the fastest, having the most fun in their jobs, quite honestly, are the ones that focus the most on building good business processes. Good business processes benefit companies in so many ways. They provide a level of consistency of performance. They increase efficiency. They definitely improve customer satisfaction. When you are delivering for your clients in a consistent way, always giving them the same kind of output, they love that. It helps reduce cost. It enhances communication on your team. It fosters a better work environment. And possibly most important of all, it creates a foundation for building continuously improving processes in the future. One thing I know is that if you can improve the rate of the improvement of your company faster than other companies, you will succeed in the long run. I was reminded as I was creating this video that a good friend of mine who is a buyer at an aerospace company, he said that when I go into a prospective vendor, I can smell the chaos almost immediately. And those are the companies that don't have good business processes. So if your company is having too much stress, not as much success as you'd like, I implore you, lean into, focus on building consistent business processes. And if you don't have the right kind of tools for doing that, of course, we at ProShop are always happy to talk with you about it, because fundamentally, that is what ProShop is. It is a set of really efficient end-to-end business processes for precision manufacturers. That's what we do. That's what we love. That's what we're good at. So anyway, hope you enjoy the blog. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And we'll see you on the next one.